What is up, boys and girls? Brianna's over there doing her Instagram thingy right now, but I figured I'd let you know where we are, what we're doing right now. So Welling Media decided to send us out here to Boardwalk Bowl, and this place is pretty cool. It's in a converted Walmart, so this is the only time you'll catch me in a Walmart. But this place is cool because it's got not only one, not only two, not only three, but 80 lanes of bowling, including a kids area. There's a bunch of pool tables. I'm guessing some arcade games and stuff like that. I can already see them through the window here. So we're gonna head on in and see what they have to offer, and we'll see you on the inside. That's awesome. Yeah, we brought our little friend along tonight, so he's gonna see what bowling is for the very first time. So while it's not the main attraction, it is kind of a neat thing to have, an arcade, especially this large. Gabriel's loving it. You gotta have skee ball, man. Look at that. Classic. So when I think 80 lanes, I didn't really picture what it would look like. I thought it would just be like enormous and long, but instead what they've done here is 40 on one side or something like that. I think it's like 30 over there and 50 over there. So it's split between the two sides, which is actually really nice, so you don't have to walk an enormous amount down to your lane if you're at the very end, but you also don't have to worry so much about overcrowding at each of your lanes. They're not cramming 80 all in one row, split between the sides. Now, along with all the bowling, like I said, they do have some pool tables here. And we're talking to the media rep right now to get ourselves all set up for bowling so I can kick Brianna's butt, which we all know is going to happen. They just put in a new scoring system called Sync. It's from Brunswick, and there's only two, I think, places in the state that runs this system. So these are brand new, and it's really cool. So we just put in our names. Hello, there we go. And at the beginning here, you can select bumpers for any of the players. So every time that person's, in this case Gabriel, every time that his turn comes around, the bumpers will come up, and every time after his turn ends, then they'll go down for me. So we're over here on lane 67. Monstrosity, very nice. Behind me, there's even more pool tables too, like 8 or 9 pool tables over there. Yeah, we're gonna get this game going. Let Gabriel do his first couple rolls here. With bumpers up, I'm sure he'll do quite well. And yeah, let's get it going. Hey, you crazy kids. Mommy's ball. There she is. Let's see what you got. What weight is that? 12 pounds? 12 pound green. Medium pulse. Go, baby, go. You're very bad. As it seems more and more common these days, businesses kind of have to step it up a few notches to stay relevant and stay, profitable, open. And this place has really, really done that in a cool way. They've obviously put a crap ton of bowling in it. But you know, they've added the large arcade in there. They've got tons of billiards tables, and not only all that, but they've got a full bar and a little restaurant in there. So that means that they also have a full kitchen available for anyone bowling. So there's a huge menu. We have ordered like a sample tray and a flatbread, and that's on the way right now. But I mean, you can eat dinner here. You know, it's not just the old days of hot dogs and chips and cheese anymore. So as far as bowling alleys go, this place is really cool. But even a night out just at the restaurant or the bar, or just to play pool or whatever, will be cool too. So I think they've managed to span that gap really nicely with expanding the business in a way that they're able to stay relevant, profitable, and still a cool place for people to come.
We got all these ones right here. These are just kind of different skins and stuff. And then we have the other ones down here that are more like actual games. Like Creature Feature, we even have Angry Birds. Of course, like basketball or skate.
So cool.
Yeah. And then My Shot, that allows you to check like all your stats if you're like a real bowler. Like it shows you your ball speed, your average ball speed, and like you can set up whatever pins you like up to practice different spirits.
Oh my gosh.
And as it goes for like service and stuff, we do have a bunch of features like that as well. Like you can call us from the front desk. If you guys were to do that like a little bit earlier, you could just be like, hey, my lane's messed up.
Okay.
And then the wait staff, we're gonna have a waiter come over to you, ball is stuck, and all that good stuff. So a lot of the stuff that you would need normally at a bowling alley, like say you need like a server or like a mechanic, like real quick, you don't need to like go up there. It's all from right here.
Very cool.
That is awesome. Hey! We had a really good time.
We did. So, yeah, if you guys are looking for somewhere to bowl, play some arcade games, eat some good food, play some pool, just kind of hang out, then Boardwalk Bowl is an awesome place to check out. We really need to thank them for the hospitality tonight.
So
They hooked us up and showed us a good time. So we really appreciate that. We'll definitely be going back there. I highly recommend it.
And they're going to have their Fiesta Mondays, which is going to be really fun. They're going to have DJs and lots of drink specials and $10 bowling. Yeah, all you can bowl, and the shoes are included. So that's definitely worth the price, I think.
It's a crazy deal.
It's really fun, and it's honestly really great for the whole family. We definitely would highly recommend you guys checking them out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and
Click all the buttons.
click all the buttons.
Leave a comment.
Subscribe.
Comments help a lot.
That's
Do it.
right.
Do it.
Thanks for watching.
And don't
remember,
forget, wander further.
what he
I
said.
don't know where the camera is. Wander further.